Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review these two diecast cars from Greenlight. They are both hobby exclusives, and one is a Ford F-150 Lightning and the other one is a Chevy 210 Townsman. Let's have a closer look. First at the Ford. It's a 1994 Ford F-150 Lightning, a very nice pickup truck. And this is the packaging from Indianapolis 500, Indy 500, 1994. And there you can see it's a hobby exclusive. Let's have a look at the back. There's the number, some info, and let's have a look at the car. Well, let's take it out and have a better look. It's a very nice pickup truck, this one. So, no more glare. Let's take it out and have a closer look. Very nice. Love the livery. Nice detail on the back. Nice heavy casting. Great front. Nice angles with this car. Nice rims also. Let's have a look. On the top of the car, in the bed, there's also a sticker on the back window, Ford. In the front window, it's number 2004, production number. Rubber tires. One is a bit, it's not a very good roller, this one, I think. It's a bit stuck. Doesn't roll very well, this one. This one is alright. I have to see if I can fix that, but I don't think so. It's a bit stiff. Maybe some tire adjusting. Okay, next one. That's a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Townsman. Also in a racing car livery. And it's 500-mile international sweepstakes. Hobby exclusive. Nice art. Let's have a look at the back. There's the number. Some info. Another race car. And let's take this one out also and have a closer look. There it is. Very nice. Great livery. Nice front. White wall tires. This one does roll better. Nice pack. I don't think anything opens on this casting. No opening hood. And also nothing on the back, I think. Let's have a look at the number. Number 1373. Rubber tires. Very nice front. Great car. Two very nice cars. What do you think of them? What's your favorite? This is my review. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.